This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you how to stop text or numbers in Google Sheets from overflowing their boundaries, the cell boundaries. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So you can see I'm looking at this big Google Sheet, and text sometimes overflows from one cell into the next column. You can see it happening here. You can see these numbers here. These numbers are flowing into the column E right there, and I want to stop that from happening, and this is the way to do it. You can basically select an entire column, and then you can tell the column to clip the text at the boundary. This is how you do it. You select the column, go to Format, then you go to Wrapping, and then you go to Clip. And I don't know if you just saw this, but the text is basically just stops right at that border right there. It's still there. It's still in the cell, and you can see the entire text right there. In fact, if you want to, you can extend it a little bit to read more of it, but it's not overflowing into the next column. The other thing you can do is you can actually apply that to the entire spreadsheet, and this is how to do it. Select all the columns by clicking the square to the left of column A, and then do the same thing. It selects all the columns, then go to Format, Wrapping, Clip, and all of the clipping has just been disappeared. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it or subscribe, and I have links to more resources in the description. Thank you so much for watching.